In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Minitab Express to create a stem and leaf diagram. We're going to do this homework problem as an example. My first step is to copy the data into Minitab. Once I've done that, I'm going to go up to Graphs and then select Stem and Leaf Plot. My variable in this case is in column 1. Choose the column that contains the variable that you want to make a stem and leaf plot of. I'm going to leave group variable blank. For my increment, I'm going to put 1 because the increment is what you want to have in the stem's place. So for these numbers, I have ones and tenths. The tenths are going to be the leaves and the ones are going to be the stems. If I had just two-digit numbers, tens and ones, I would put 10 for increment so that the tens place was the stem. Then I click OK, and there's my stem and leaf diagram. This leftmost column of the diagram is a little bit strange. It's doing a cumulative frequency from both ends. We're not ever going to use that column, so you should just ignore it. The stem and leaf diagram is to the right of that. So this column is the stems and this column is the leaves. So for example, this 0 and 1 represents the data value 0.1. So now I'm going to go back to my homework problem and enter the stem and leaf diagram. When I'm typing this in, I'm just going to type the stems in the first box and the leaves in the box to the right. I don't need to use commas or spaces in between the numbers. Type them in just like how they appear in Minitab. And that's how you make a stem and leaf diagram in Minitab Express.